After the first special episode, I received lots of amazing comments and positive messages from you. That's why I decided to make more Learn Uyghur language videos on the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, smash the subscribe button and get all the benefits from these free Uyghur cooking videos and language videos. In our special episode, we learned top 5 Uyghur words and phrases at the table. Qani, marhamat, rahmat. O'xshabdi, yo'q bo'ldi. Do you like that? Nima? Rahmat. Nima? Nima. It means what? It's a question word. When you say nima, your voice goes up at the end. It's like in English. What? Nima. Ismingiz nima? Ismingiz nima? Ism means name. Ismingiz is your name. And you are going to say this, ismingiz nima? You want to ask somebody his or her name. And your voice goes up. Ismingiz nima? Bu nima? Bu nima? Bu means this. Nima means what. What is this? Bu nima? U nima? U nima? U means that. Nima means what. What is that? U nima? Aw nima? Awu nima? It means that over there. What is that? Awu nima? Mau nima? Mawu nima? This one. Specifically this thing. What is this? Mawu nima? Nima uchun? Nima uchun? Uchun means for. For what? There's two words, nima uchun, together means why. Why? Nima uchun? Lots of people say it very fast, like nima uchun. So nima uchun and nima uchun all the same. Why? Nima uchun. Nima bo'ldi? Nima bo'ldi? You are going to say the sentence when you want to know what happened. And some people say it very fast, like nim bo'ldi, nima bo'ldi, all the same. Nima bo'ldi? That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any suggestions for the new video, let me know in the comments down below. And see you next week. Khois! And if you don't know what it means, watch this video.